So here is my latest project. I have made homemade rosemary oil, and I've made it out of rosemary, fresh rosemary, and grape seed oil, and let it simmer for 6 hours in a crock pot. And then you see the grape seed is completely dried out pretty much. Still some oil in it, but as far as the liveliness of it is hard. And I now have my own very own uh, rosemary oil. And rosemary oil is good for your skin. It's particularly good for your hair. Helps to promote growth of your hair. So this is not Farmeress Dee in the house. Well, I guess I could still be Farmeress Dee, but I'm making my own oils. Thanks for watching. And as always, you're always welcome.